Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's class, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we'll start reading Surah Al-Kafiroon, inshallah. Ayahs are 6, really easy surah. Just start this surah with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul, of is heavy. Qul, ya ayyuhal. Good. كافرون. Good. لا straight lam. أعبد أعبد. Make sure you're making the ayn sound clearly. ما تعبدون. Good job. ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد. Stretch the meme because of a mud sign, and the dal will bounce back because of a qalqala letter. Wala ana. The alif here is a zaid alif. Yes, so we'll not read it. Ana abidum ma abattum. Ba will join with the ta because the dal is sakin. The next letter is mushaddad. We'll skip the sakin letter. Abattum. ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد. Good. لكم دينكم ولي ولي دين ولي دين. The surah is easy. Read this surah, practice word by word. See you in the next video, inshallah.